Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can autosave chats on Snapchat. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now in here, move to chat section. Now Snapchat has a feature you can autosave your chats on Snapchat, but it has a limit of 24 hours. Snapchat will autosave your chats up to 24 hours and after that they will disappear. And to enable it, what you can do, just select any of your chat and then tap on that person's username. Now once the person's profile will be open, tap on these three horizontal dots in the top right corner, and here you can see where it says chat settings. Now under chat settings we have delete chat. Tap on that and just change it to 24 hours after viewing, and now your chats will be saved up to 24 hours and after that they will disappear. So that's how you can autosave chats on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.